Hi guys, my name is Alfin and I'm back with my second milestone for my RC tank. My tank previously had a PlayStation 2 controller hooked up to it, but now I removed the receiver from my motor shield and the PS2 controller is not with me. Instead, I have an ultrasonic sensor mounted to the front of the tank, which allows the tank to move more independently without my control and making it autonomous. So the ultrasonic sensor is actually mounted on this camera mount at the front of the tank, along with a servo, which will be used in a later milestone. And the ultrasonic sensor itself is pretty much sending a signal, and the signal is the signal's pinging back from other objects such as those boxes or my hand. And when it sees an obstacle or an object 10 centimeters away from itself, it will reverse and will turn left, which allows the tank itself to avoid obstacles and make it more autonomous, and instead of crashing into it, it'll be able to maneuver its way around. And that pretty much makes it more independent. Some problems that I encountered working on the second part of my project was there was a period where my ultrasonic sensor and my Arduino would not cooperate with the motors, and that was initially because of a delay in the code where whenever the delay was there, the ultrasonic sensor just decided to not work at all, and that pretty much meant that the tank wouldn't want to move on its own because it's relying on the ultrasonic sensor to send it a signal for it to move forward, backward, turn left. Other modifications that I made to it, I added these two battery packs in the center to give it a more equal weight distribution, so the weight's not leaning to the back or to the front. I did some changes to the wiring. I had to change some of the pins around, so the pin configuration, because my ultrasonic sensor and servo were clashing with the motor pins. And once I figured that out, the tank itself is now working, and my next milestone should include the servo working, which should allow it to sweep from left to right 180 degrees, which will allow the tank to not only just turn left, but analyze the whole perimeter and make a decision whether or not it should turn right or left.